have completed the question till question number 28. Now we have to solve question number 29. In this question we have to find out the cube of a number by using Sutra Ekadikeyan Purved. And you already know in the previous lecture we have studied to find out the cube of a number by using method Sutra Anurupend, and the first one method is Sutra Nikhilam. In the previous lecture we have studied to find out the cube of a number by Sutra Nikhilam, and it is also called Sutra Yagdhanam Tabdhanam, and the second one to find out the cube of a number by using Sutra Anurupend. Now this one is the third method. We have to find out the cube by using here Sutra Nikhilam method. So we will learn in this question, in these 3 to 4 questions we will learn how to find out the cube of a number by using Sutra Ekadikeyan Purved. In this question we will take the base here. First I will take the base here 10. Base I will take here 10. Then in the second step I have to find out the division. And what will be the division? Division is here. How you will find out the division here? To find out the division in this, the formula is unit place digit multiplied by 3 and minus base. How can we find out the division in this question? 3 multiplied by unit place digit, digit and minus 10. So here 3 multiplied by unit digit is 3 and minus 10. Then it is 9 minus 10. So our base is minus 1. So to find out the division, our formula is 3 multiplied by unit digit. But we will take unit place digit here. You can write here ones place digit. Your ones place digit is 3. You can also say unit place digit. Our ones place digit is 3 multiplied by unit 3 multiplied by unit place digit minus 10. So here, what is the unit place digit? You can see it is 3. So here it is 3. This is 3. This 3 is our formula, and unit place digit is 3 minus 10. Then 3 is 9 minus 10. Now this number is greater number negative, so you will take the minus sign here and you will subtract 9 from 10, then you will get here 1. So your division is minus 1. Now we will apply the formula. What is the formula for this? To find out the cube, tens place digits here. Tens digits here into its ekadikeyan. Tens place digit square into its ekadikeyan, and again tens digit square into division oblique 3 into tens place digit into unit place digit square. 3 into tens digit into unit digit square and oblique unit digit square and oblique unit digit cube. Is it? So here we have the formula to find out the cube of a number by using Sutra Ekadikeyan Purved. So what is the formula for that? Tens digit square. So here it is tens digit square multiplied by its ekadikeyan. Ekadikeyan means one more. So tens digit square into its ekadikeyan. Again oblique tens digit square into division. Division we have already found here. 3 into tens place digit multiplied by unit place digit square. You know that unit place digit square is 3. And then oblique unit place digit cube. Now we will find out it tens digit square. What is our 10 digit? 7. So 7 square into its ekadikeyan. What is the ekadikeyan of 7? What is the successor of 7? That is the ekadikeyan of 7. So the successor of 7 is 7 plus 1 8. Then similarly the ekadikeyan of 7 is 7 plus 1. Then that will be 8. So here tens digit square, tens digit is 7. 7 square into its ekadikeyan. Its ekadikeyan is 7 plus 1 8. Then ekadikeyan of 7 is 8. Then again 10 digit square into division. What is division we have found? Minus 1. Then 3 into 10th digit is 7 and into unit place digit here. So what is the unit place digit here? Your unit place digit is 3. So here it is 3 square and oblique unit place digit cube. Then what will be unit place digit? Unit place digit is 3, then 3 cube. So here we can write here 7 square 49 multiplied by 8 oblique again 7 square 49 multiplied by -1, then oblique 3 into 7 into 9 and then 3 cube, it is 27. See here it is 3 square. So 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3 and you know that 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Similarly here 3 cube. 3 cube means you will multiply 3 by 3 times. Here it is 3 cube. So you will multiply 3 by 3 times. Then 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So what is the product? Product is 27. Here again you will multiply it by 8. 8 9 is 32, 7 carry. 8 4 is 32 plus 7 39. Then only minus 49 and then again 7 9 is 63 and 63 3 is 189 and then only 27. First remove this minus sign. How we will remove this minus sign? You will take, if I will take from one I will take one borrow from this 392, then 1 will multiply base, then 1 your base is 10, then 1 multiply by 10. It is 10. If I will take from here 1, then here will comes 10. If I will take here 2, then here it will be 2 multiply by 10. If I will take 3, then 3 multiply by 10. Then 4 multiply by 10. If I will take 5, then 5 multiply by 10. So you can understand this. If I will take 5, then here will be 387 and then that will be 5 multiply by base. Our base is 10, then minus 49. It means you can write here 387 oblique 10 5 is 50 minus 49 oblique 189 and oblique 27. Now here in the next step we can write 387 oblique 50 minus 49. Your difference is 1. Then again oblique 189 and oblique 27. Now in the base there is 1 0. In the base there is 1 0. So I can put the only one digit in each oblique and the rest of the digit I will add in the next oblique. So from here it is 2. I will add 2 here. So what will the next? 387 oblique 1 then 191 oblique 7. You will add 2 in 189, then the sum is 191. Then I will left here 1 digit and the next 2 digit I will add in the next one. 387 oblique 1 plus 19. 1 plus 19 is 20 oblique 1 oblique 7. Then I will again add it. Then it is 389 oblique 0 oblique 1 oblique 7. So you will remove the now each oblique. So what is the cube of the given number? It is 3,89,070. So this is the cube of 73. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask me question better. Look at the board and check the question. So we have done here 30 question, not 29. This question is 30 question. Okay, next question is question number 32. next question I will do question number 32. It is we have to same in the same method, by same method we have to find out the cube of a number 106. So here we will do the next one. So the next question is we have to find out the cube of 106 cube. In this question we have to find out the cube of a number 106 cube. So here we have to find out the solution. We have to find out the cube of 106. So same in the same method you will take the base here 10. In Sutra Ekadi Kenku way, if we have to find out the cube, we will take the base here 10. Then the same method is deviation is equal to 3 ones place digit. Here 3 into unit place digit minus 10. So your 3 is 3, same number. It is from formula, and what will the unit place digit? Your unit place digit is 6. See here, this is unit place digit. It is also called ones place digit. Both are the same thing. And 3 into 6 minus 10. Then we can write here 18 minus 10. Then it is 8. So what is the division here? Division is 8. 3 multiplied by unit place digit minus 10. Here 3 is from formula and minus 10 is also from formula. So here 3 6 is 18 minus 10, that is 8. And you can also see 6 here comes from unit place digit. Your unit place digit is 6. Now here see, left this ones place digit, rest digits will be tens place digit. Here we will exclude ones place digit. Next two digit are tens place digit here. Then tens place digit square. 10 square multiplied by its ekadike, and its ekadike is 11. Sorry. What is that? Ekadike of 10. The ekadike of 10 is 11. Means successor. Sorry. Here tens place digit is 10. Tens place digit square is 10 square into its ekadike. Its ekadike is 11. Then oblique again tens place digit square into division. What is the division here? 8 and oblique 3 into tens place digit. 3 into tens place digit is I put here 10, and then unit place digit is 6 square, and then unit place digit cube, that is 6 cube. Again look here, tens place digit square. What I said? Except excluding the ones place digit, next two digit you will take tens place digit. Then tens place digit square, 10 square into its ekadike into 11. Again tens digit square into division. Your 10 digit square is 10, and 10 square into division is 8. Then 3 into tens digit into unit digit square. Your unit digit is 6, then it is 6 square, and unit digit is cube, then it is 6 cube. Then from here 10 square is 100 multiplied by 11 oblique 10 square is 100 multiplied by 8 oblique 3 into 10 into 6 square is 36, and 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 is 36, and 36 6 is 260. Then the next step is 11 1 is 11. You will write the 20 in the last. Then 8 1 is 8. In the last you will write 2 zeros. And then 36 3 is 108. And you will multiply 108 by 10. You will get 1080. Then 260. See, 11 1 is 11. 2 0 will be the same. 8 1 is 8. In the last 10 place and 1's place there will be 0. Then 36 3 is 108. 108 multiplied by 10. You will put the 0 in the last. Then 216 is 216. So this is the unit place digit. Next two digit you will add in the next oblique. Then from here 1100 oblique 800. Then you will add 20 in 1. Then it is 1101 and oblique 6 is there. You will add 20, then it is 1101, then 1100. 1101. Now this is one digit, you will shift this digit to the next one. These three digits to the next one. Then from here 6. Sorry, we can take from here 110. Then oblique. You will add 110 in 800. Then it is 910 and oblique again. Then 0. No, sorry, 1. Then oblique 6. In the next, you will take this 91 to the next oblique. Then here 1191. Then 0, oblique 0, oblique 1 and oblique 6. In the last, you will remove this oblique sign. Then it is 1, it is 6. 191, 0, then 1 and then 6. So this is the cube of the number 106 cube by using Sutra Ekadi Ke Purve. As I have already told you, beta, if you have any doubt, if you have any problem regarding these questions, you can ask me by making a call to me, by making a contact to me. You can write the comments on WhatsApp number in your group, and I think, however, I have tried. There should be no any doubt for you. But if there will be any, I will remove that. I will remove your doubts. So this question is 32 question. We have done 106 cube, and next two question you will do in your home. The next two question is 29 and 31. I will write the question number here. Question number 29. And question number 31. You will note that question number 29 is 45 cube and next one is 24 cube. I have also sent the pic of exercise 1.2 in your WhatsApp number, in our WhatsApp group. From there you can note the question. So you have to complete this homework. Is it? And one more point. When you will complete your homework, you will do in your notebook. After that, what you have to do after completing your homework, you will open your page and take your pic. Then you will put your pic in WhatsApp so that I can check how many students have completed their homework and they are doing their homework regularly. Is it? So the next topic is today we will also do the introduction of next exercise. Last exercise of this unit is to solve the equation, to solve the linear equations, to solve the algebraic equations by using the Vedic methods. In this, there are two Vedic methods, and for that we will find out the solution of equations by using the method Sutra Pravarti Yojit and Sutra Sunyam Samya Suchaya. To find out the solution of the linear equations, we will use the two methods in Vedic mathematics. One of them is Sutra Pravarti Yojit. What is the meaning of Sutra Pravarti Yojit? Sutra Pravarti Yojit means transformation and arrangements. What is the meaning of Sutra Pravarti Yojit? The meaning of Sutra Pravarti Yojit is transformation and arrangements. And this method, these two methods are given by Swami Bharti Krishna ji. These two methods are discussed by Swami Bharti Tirthanand ji, and under Sutra Pravarti Yojit he derived four applications. Under Sutra Pravarti Yojit he derived four applications, and the first application is the formula of first application. Tomorrow we will, in the next lecture, we will go briefly for this point. Here we will understand the topics in a short way. The first formula for Sutra Pravarti Yojit is if your equation is given in the form of ax plus b is equal to cx plus d, then ax plus b is equal to cx plus d, then how can we understand that? We will understand it x is equal to d minus b upon a plus c. Is it? Here we have given ax plus b is equal to cx plus d, then d minus b x is equal to d minus b upon a minus c. And then the next one, the next formula for is ax plus b upon p. Second one is ax plus b upon p is equal to cx plus d upon q. Then dp minus dq x is equal to dp minus dq upon aq minus ap. And the third formula, third application of Sutra Pravritti Yojet is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x plus c into x plus d. Then cd minus ab upon x is equal to cd minus ab upon a plus b minus c minus d. And the fourth application of this Sutra Pravritti Yojet discussed by Swami Bharti Tirthanand ji. Fourth application is m upon x plus a. If m upon x plus a plus n upon x plus b is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus mb plus na upon m plus n. So these are the four applications discussed by Swami Bharti Tirthanand ji under Sutra Pravritti Yojet to find out the solution of the equations. And the second method I told you, that the name of the second method is Sutra Sunyam Samya Smuchya. In that there are 6 applications. So tomorrow in the next lecture we will solve the question under Sutra Pravritti Yojet and Sutra Sunyam Samya Smuchya. So here you will understand this question, you will solve these questions, and if you have problem, I already told you, you can ask me then, and you have to also complete your homework regularly and prepare your exercise. Have a good night.